Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una for this side. Inside we strong number them for this afternoon. Even as when governor, he talks and make people them wash hand all time for this what time we'll get them. For we country, people them for Dikolo will be done fair talk. There's also them more than 2 years. They no get water where they come out for tap where they go fit for use and wash hand. This afternoon we go take una enter for Dikolo when as on 1/4 inside the Douala 4 subdivision. Tori say for this afternoon, we go talk palava dirty for Domop, for hospital, for side from Abandam, even as well they don't come out container where they keep trade dirty for the population. It is also continue now for trade dirty, just for place where they don't talk for them, may they not trade dirty for them. Tori say we go talk palava for Corona, wanna sabi say just now, country, it don't get more than 700 cases for people that they know where on top this Corona sick. How they sensitize it happen for outside, plus this commander where minister says it began on top chapter say people they must to cover their nose and their mouth with it close before they come up for outside or when they want travel. People that hear them, we go try for answer that question too for Tori for this afternoon. Sabi say one of the people that they be the talk say this Corona thing it go spoil business na kwada them. Inside Douala here, we be carry that mind, we be go for sidewalk kwada they turn up for try for see whether the business it is also work out for some people them or you know the worker. Wanna go see that one too inside Tori for this afternoon. We get the guidance post, we get the voice and even the horizon newspaper them where they did for we before. Big part talk for this afternoon. It talk for we say person where he get power and open eye now. Make it sabi say time when he goes he sleep when he goes 6 feet. Na fly, he go get that power pass. He say person where he get a power and open eye now. Make it sabi say fly he own open eye. He go come when he don't go 6 feet. Reverend Bay Christian inside Limbe. Nice and with big part talk. I the turn back for yes more time. Afternoon, country people them. We glad say we don't join head again. Na part 2 for Tori for this side, so for Equinox at Tori House. Chapter for this afternoon, we go start now with the palava for water inside Douala here. We take una go for quarter where they call them say Dikolo. Or we'll start with this chapter for hospital first. Yes, according to we control, we get for start. Now for that side, so for hospital, for Mabanda, country people them, we'll go talk this palava for dirty. And Sabi said this hospital, he want turn up so in a Tori House, he make noise so the hospital turn up. After Tori House make noise, palava container where they keep dirty where be turn up for them up for this hospital. Last company where they hear company where they look out dirty. It don't go come out the container and they don't put BB sign for they say make no person no throw dirty but una see am just for corner hospital now for the way population for Mabanda they is also continue for throw dirty no matter say they don't put a signboard for day where it the one people them say make them not throw dirty. Now hospital that see dirty for ya people there they go that hospital how they go do mami pikin sesep he can't turn up na just for corner dirty for say he want enter for inside taxi where he dey so all the one them so na thing where people them say they cry. Sabi say Tori House he be do the work so till last that hospital don't open. Tori House he do work dirty company don't can come out container for dirty for Domop for hospital. Just now the people them say for Mabanda they get for understand say hospital place he no get for dirty. Hospital place e get for clean. Hospital place no be na place where they get for trade dirty all time. But just now na different thing where we see am as way that hospital for Mabanda na the place where population it is there trade dirty. Even as way they don't put signboard for day. If you trade dirty, they go carry you go court. But the population no the fear na only for Domop for that hospital where they trade dirty for inside Mabanda. Now for Douala 4 subdivision. So for under Douala 4 subdivision, we talk this palava for water for people them for Dikolo. Sabi say one of the things that when governor don't talk just now, na say wash your hand with water way in the waka. But the people them they the open tap so the taps yourself degree open as well the same. Now so na operation where water Yes, now where water wey people dem just now for inside Dikolo dey sabi for do am for 2.5 years. As so the talk, so this population for Dikolo for Douala for subdivision, they never see water wey e comot for tap. Apart from say people dem dey get borehole, they fit dey see water wey dey comot for tap, but other poor people dem na well wey dey go carry water go up and down. And when una talk say make we dey use water, sometimes dem even dey wear water, we no sabi whether they wear water e over clean na clean, but people dey also use am. But now una get for the wash and all time, you wey no get well for your corner, e mean say all that time you no go fit for wash and no. If water finish for house, how you go do? So the population dey talk to say make mayor wey e just sit down on top chair for Douala for e check on top this palava wey these people dem say they don sit down for more than 2.5 years. Water no dey. Make we hear wey some pass say wey you too be na councillor. He talk palava for this water. He be the talk for we Padiman Cheromanus.
I cry for government, make it help me for this problem of water. Be difficult for us. Mayor, if he help me, then you go find. Say make the whole quarter get water. And now with the suffer plenty. People that go hospital because all this sickness. Tap never come out, so be difficult. Look tap. See, I'm every tap him up so dry so they now Rosdom can hold the pipes. So now water will change another pipe or put another pipe there. No. Around 2.5 years, no water. How on a 50 people can live for this city without water? Now we're working Karatana for stream, or not for Vuri. No, we have not figure fit of a house. We get money.
And just for Sabi, on top of this palava, we enter one time for Corona, better known as Sabi. Cameroon, he get more than 700 cases them just now for Corona sick. Wednesday way pass, Minister be talk say people them must to start for cover their nose and their mouth with that kind of thing. Doctor then say they take cover the nose and mouth that way they want to put them belly. We be take time, we waka go for Bonaberry Park, we check all motor them. Inside some motor them, we meet up people there, they don't cover their nose. Other one them, they take Naja hand for cover the nose. We left Bonaberry Park, we go right for that side, so for Bekoko, for try for follow up. Motor them say they enter for inside town, but some of the motor them also enter like this with sister, and plenty of the people them, they no be get them. This other motor will follow, we enter for inside. All man for inside the motor, it be cover in nose, and just so tell we say this palava for say me the left space. Respect as well people that say they don't shit down plenty for inside the motor, and all man as well waka enter for them. It be show say all people that say they get that face mask for their nose. Now I mean say true Minister for Transport Jean-Ernest Massenangale Bibe we igida commander if he shit down for an office. He start for Naki chest. Say true. The Cameroon people the way now they look at them, they hear the commander. Even as well Big Mami they cover her own nose now with his hand. But that one now one of the people them that plenty of the people that will meet up and for inside motor. Plenty of them, at least, they cover their nose and their mouth with that a close way doctor then say they use them, or the one way they make them with the hand with the ear just now sewing where they think the pass inside a quarter them as we Tori enter for inside we ear. We'll be talk with one of the driver that will meet up here for that side, so for a Bekoko inside Douala here.
All my passengers they get that mask on them. Because I respect Mr. They don't talk. Me, Mr. I get my own. I get my mask, my driver, I get enough mask. With the column for the road, you go bunda. I be sure say all my passengers they get that mask on them. Because I respect Mr. They don't talk. Me, Mr. I get my own. I get my mask, my driver, I get enough mask. With the column for the road, you go.
And just so Sabi say will not be remain only for daytime for check whether the thing they happen even for night. I be there outside. For that side, for inside Bonaberry where I enter, Sabi say plenty people they go Bamenda for night. We say we'll take with time, we enter for one of the agency too. For try for check sense, whether now only for daytime or now for afternoon or for evening time, whether they were. But when we enter for day, we see say all people there they be one go waka, all man. It get its own small for mop and even one way they sell them as well they see so for agency. So just now, according to where the big people then say for some of the agency they talk, particularly one them where they go for Bamenda, they say the one it don't turn another thing way to them. They must to check them for roads. If they don't see any man with his own thing wey cover him up and he knows, then he just talk for the person make it come out. So even for agency just now, e don turn another way for maybe net as we tori enter with EM, and as one I don't see them. All man e get am, and na so two people dey where they sell the thing where people they get for take cover their nose and their mouth as well they go waka and na palava say minister Jean-Ernest Masina Gale Bibe e be not comfortable. Make we hear where one of the people then say will meet up away the lookout, one of the agency them. He talk for me.
Follow the instruction from the minister. I see my customers they wear face mask. When this for example, my only I never talk freely. I want to push and down. So I make sure my customers they wear face mask before they want travel. And when they come for front agency, container they we don't put them for them for wash your hands, and then use hands sanitize their hands. So I make sure before they want enter motor, everybody wear masks before they travel. So we did do as well all possible means to follow the instruction of the minister. And we do say the mask for here. The people will get masks for here. We sell we make sure every customer buy. They're there for different categories. Those where they're dear, where they be cheaper, for any common man to buy own. Follow the instruction from the minister.
Just now, we go continue on top this palaver for face mask, country people them, and just for Sabi on top this palaver. We go take una, we go for that side, so for Yawende, we go for that side for Yawende country people them, for try for talk, so for this palaver for face mask, we minister be talk, even for Yawende, we tori people that be try for follow up, for that side for Yawende for check, whether it is so, people that they respect commander we minister, it be pass we say be there for road, for inside Yawende side, on top palaver for this face mask country people them, and at least we'll be turn up for plenty time, but we'll start see taxi them with driver, all them they get their thing where they take cover their nose and their mouth according to which way minister be talk, and Sabi say inside the motor plenty of the taxi they will meet up driver then say they be don't cover their face them way the show say true them say they turn up strong with Ngomna for fights apart from say one person that power she done for back on mommy he no be get his own, but three people them inside the motor they get this Ngondo say they put him for up. He talk for we say no be ever life for the user, but just for say na thing way consign all man. He say better may it yourself. He look at himself. No be na chapter say they get for forcing a force and before he put him. So he says he no they fine for inside, but na thing we get for do him. At least for now we country they hear back. Some other driver they wear them, other one them they know where their own thing where they take cover their mouth and their nose. Will be meet up plenty of them too, or some of the way they no be cover their nose. Like this pa, he been a driver, he no get his own. Another man will meet up, will talk with he say no get money. Say first, they don't talk, say me the code number for people them, and money, he know they refuse and for buy his own mask so he go take cover his face. This other part talk say he go buy him when he get money, but for now, thing the wrong over as way he talk for. He say no be na all man just now for that transport site, he gets his own marks, but Sabi say plenty of the taxi people that will meet up and for that side, so for Yawende, for site for Mokolowe will be turn up, all them they be cover their nose them with their nose and their mouth with the thing way a minister if you don't give commandia say make the take cover their own, whether na the one way I come out when a medical own or na the one way they make them for with country hand we sabi say just now the thing they happen people that they make their own, so anyone people they wear them only for say me the hear commandia way minister says a pass them, but just now sensitize it is also happen for inside different place. We take una go for that side, so for both macaque for that side. Now mayor and DOSSF they come out for outside. Now for teach people them and talk for people them waiting they get for do Oga DO it be take time for talk for people them how they take wash hand, how many minutes, and even for palava to say they get for cover their face before they do anything. Sabi say just now for side for board macaque they never talk say they get any case, but just now na palava say make the population question for Bod Makak says Sabi. D.O. says he try for talk, say palava for cry die, he no dey again. Say if big Manu says where he die, now only 5 people they bury him, he means say cry die for Bod Makak, he no go dey. But people they ask question plenty man Nadine, make we turn back for the DA own way take cover his nose. We find someone who concentrate small for DOE face. DOE own people they ask and say DOE own way be the waka ton time. Say he own that thing no fit fly enter for him up. That thing no go enter. They say make you cover nose, make you cover mop. But DO don't carry na something where they like a helmet. E wear DO e own na this na wala na DO own I want look and find. The DO also na the correct one that. Na the correct one that. Na question no. I never thought say DO you know where find thing. But we dey ask whether na glass you know whether na wetin we no fit understand. But when they talk say face something, as I be say na tell you lock your nose and your mop. DO your mop the show. If that thing the one pass it go touch you. Yes, man, I do most stop so you don't come to it. If some person cough, he must enter for DO mop. So the one no be a better example. No be a better example that DO. If some people they start following now the way that thing, you go follow them for back. The one no be a better example. No be a face mask that. Na lie. I deny. Even though I no be doctor, I deny no be a face mask that per DO. No be a face mask that. No way. You get for wear some better thing like a mayor wearer. You understand? The one when person they wear and person cough, that thing fit also enter your mop. If it's also enter your mop. So, per DO, you get a change and talk for your people they say you know where the correct one. You understand no? No be na the correct one that way you wear and so that one no be na better example. So, country people them sensitize for inside that Bod Makak as soon as see am for Douala side here as soon as Sabi country people them inside that courthouse we be enter right for courthouse for see where that court case that is also pass. But Sabi say for courthouse or inside Douala court for first instance we be enter for them. Now time where no person no dey for inside courthouse. We enter where we see there where they spray na spray, they try for clean or kill any sick where it dey for inside that courthouse as way people they say they know they dey. Sabi say just now even court case they say according to waiting where we hear they know they pass again plenty just for sika this palava for corona. So anytime where any small one it happen where number for people they know the plenty again. One time person they way it come wash the place as we even a big man state council officers say they get for clean all place. So I say plenty kind people that they enter for day. So na palava say make this sick or any man we don't by mistake enter for inside a court place. Make all man is sabi say it dey so this sick na true thing where it pass. One of we strong number them as so na go see am we be turn up for side where they get them that they walk. Now they do that man they go do it in. He want go chop. One go chop. When I see, so Binet is also worker. You understand? That one too, they go enter, so they go chop. Binet is also worker. Now, when people they come. South Africa, they don't talk say men governor member them. Cameroon, they never ask governor. Binet is also worker. You understand? Now them that they turn up for them up. You see they turn up for them up. They wait. More na just turn up the see. Me, I be turn up for see whether to true. This ngondere then say they go fear. But I ask and say if they decide say make they know the setting them. You understand? These people there they come out, they enter, come out, enter. How they go do? And if some of these people there they come out, enter, they get them, or even that get them get them. No be them too they go divide them. Question no. Now for tell we say some men they where they are number 3 foot. It is also worker. We be even turn up so to catch someone they see the man. He be the argue price. Price they tell you no be over plenty. He be the argue say plenty. Say make the quarter. He try for talk so that first one he turn up for the talk say no way. Now for Douala me gonna no shake. So they get them. They know the fear self. They know the fear who be who. You understand? Binet is also worker. They is also sell. They is also join skin. Even as well they don't talk say no joining of skin. You understand? And no, you understand what I try for tongue now? People they is also make their Binet. So South Africa they don't talk and ho-ha. Men governor do them something. If no be so, they go also continue their work. For year, they never ask whether an association self they get them or no sabi. But the Binet it is also worker for night. Now for tell we say we get for lookout. we get for lookout even man pikin too with the number 2 foot or number 3 foot lookout your number 3 foot. You understand? This kind of place them you no get for go there. If you go kick your foot you carry am, you go give am for different people them. Binet is also waka una dey see no, they dey also talk, they dey make binet, they dey make price, so that if you waka fine e enter, if you no waka fine e comot inside the wala e dey waka. So governor una get plenty work for do. We don already reach more than 700 case, and if any of the get dem carry sabi say they go divide. So the fight one na the fight e no go make sense. You understand? Fight wey one na the fight e no go make sense. That one na just for talk for na say we sister dem dey also work their work wey dey sabi for do am for inside Douala here. So corona e never make them at all for fear. Just now one sabi say Wuhan for China na the place this way this sick e be start. They be lock Wuhan for 76 days if I no make mistake. After 76 days 12 midnight they say Wuhan don open. Make we take una enter Wuhan. Yes, China e dey give we hope say if Wuhan Binet don start the waka, e mean say Cameroon to Sunday we fit talk say this thing go. E must to go. See how where people dey start waka one time wey dey talk say maybe Binet dey waka. So Wuhan for China, that sick e don comot. Plenty glad. People there dey be don she don for house for 72 days. Now they dey for outside. 72, 76 days they dey outside. Binet e don start happen again. So Cameroon, make una pray and make una continue for see say this sick na now e go kill but e go. You understand? Make we pray and make we continue for pray say e go better. Inside Kribi we dey hear say them 12 they don't get the first case for this sick wey they call am say corona. They say na some company man wey dey work with the Kribi deep sea port wey they catch the sick one time wey they catch am, they send am for Yawende for say make they look at them. But for inside different office dem for Kribi, bucket dey for outside wey all man dey wash him hand. They dey check your face before you enter for any office. The only place where trouble dey na market. As your population is so tight. Na place that way people dem for Kribi they get problem. But sabi say Taylor dem say they dey make money just now. That way minister say make they take cover mop and nose. Even the one way they make am for house, Taylor they make am now for Kribi money. So they need the wait say make a woman they come 300. If you get them, you go buy them. So even Taylor them, they don't come out for 1 billion for sewing clothes. They disown on a mask for people them, and with the hear say na 300. They say one according to Toriwe he enter for inside we ear. Now Sabi Sef say Gratango in the one and in the one people them for inside country say Palava people there they want show sorry hearts for this corona sick. Lord day say make people they no just wake up they take money from people there. But PCRN Honorable Noran he said tomorrow na Friday no he must to collect money. He say he must to take that money. He don't go give paper for grant and go say make he sign and for give authorize. So whether the authorized come or he no come, he said number 10 day for April moon when as Friday in money he go so do that collect where he want do am according to wait the process in the talk for we. And just to sabi say on top this palava where it happen, who get for give money, who no get for give money, waiting other people then say they talk on top this palava. Sabi say will be enter for the Twitter page for barrister Akeremuna, where he says he talks something on top this palaver for this money where they contribute. We try for a follow-up for talk on top these other people then say where they don't talk. Sabi say Barrister Akeremuna is a case that already reached 700 cases them for Cameroon. Say that for say many people that they quarrel on top money, who get for take, who no get for take. Say make all people they enjoy hate, they start for turn up and make all things them be clear for online so that all my way don't give something, they go sabi say they don't give them. Even the people then say where they get for pay tax, may they try for call them tax, then for say they also continue for the talk on top this palaver. Nothing that way Barrister Akeremuna says he talk but wait way Barrister Congo Felix Agbo says he talk so for on top this palaver. Edite we say just now make people they know the blame different people them, make no not to know the past. Barrister Agbo Congo he talks here na time when governor just now he get for forget opposition day they join them, even civil society join them, say make all them she don't check sense how will they go fight this war secret day for inside we country. So according to Agbo Mbala Congo, he say make governor make tax force when governor people the day opposition the day and even civil society put in day for join hand for see as way they go fight this corona come out inside we country. Now idea than that for some big lawyer people them inside we country. And just now sabi say Cameroon no be na the only side where they hear bad. Nigeria win a neighbor for Cameroon or sister yesterday for 9 o'clock 22 new cases the day where they be get total 276 for sick people them they already left them 44 and 6 people them they don't die since this sick is start. So no be na palava way the people that they give you the number the one that they give you the number. So now the thing that but sabi say Nigeria says they don't agree. We get 15 doctor them where they don't come up for China. They don't land for inside Mohamed Oga Buhari, a country. These 15 doctor them, they don't come for help doctor them for Nigeria. For say may they cure or look out people them where they get this sick where they call them say corona. Sabi say the 15 doctor there they come out China. Maybe they get sense. Palava how China they say they look at their own sick people then so they almost finish. So they don't enter for Nigeria just now after we Buhari agree say may they enter for help doctor them for inside Nigeria for look at this sick way in the worry people then say for Nigeria. Sabi say the big problem just now where they happen na number for sick people the way they day. Some country they give their own correct number, other one they confuse. Cameroon now one minister give 700 and something, other side they give 700 and something. So the number they know the tie. So Michelle Bachelet, where he says na big woman for women rights, United Nations human rights, he says don't talk. Say the beg on governor them. Say just now make they give correct Tori palava for this sick, correct number and make all things in white like paper. Say just now na time for people them for save life. No be na say for inside this kind of palava we place in the kene. There is also one Ben talk then. So Michelle Bachelet it the beg na beg for say make people then do something. Just now newspaper them where they did for we before Guardian Post in the talk they be meet up with a minister for college book. Palava for school year, Sabi say school picking the day outside scenes for Sikadi sick. How the school year day waiting don't change. You feel read them for interviewing Ma Paulina Lovalyungam. He talk with a Guardian Post people them. They tell you to say for that side so for Kumba population we vex the cash from Amber General waiting they do with the Amber man. You feel read them for the post. 17-year-old girl SSF he be try for kill himself after we boy he talks say I no love you again according to it where the Guardian Post it tell we PCC moderator says you feel read chapter where don't suspend their own trade union. The Horizon where it dey outside this morning time of this afternoon it tell we Bamenda Mayor just now it dey outside it dey use sweet thing them for make people them sabi say don't come for can work. Gratango it don't block Professor Maurice Kamto as we the one try for use corona for carry popularity again as we Horizon tell we inside Horizon says they tell we as we na 350 school them 115 hospital them where they go rebuild them inside Northwest and Southwest according to Paul Tasson when I be head boy for say make they look out as we Northwest and Southwest. Eternal back. The Voice, it did too for we before this afternoon country people them inside The Voice. They tell we doctor, nurse, all them versus corona. They say they hail them for all the Google work where they don't do them. So for inside this palaver, the voice it talk say they read people them. Now that people there they deal with the white and a doctor them where they fight on top this sick. Palaver for school them for turn back. They be meet up to in Ma Pauline Aloval Yonga. They talk with ye. Wait till 1 year for palaver the time where school get for start. You fit enter for the voice weekend where it day outside this afternoon. Country people them, we don't finish. We thank on a plenty. Thank plenty too for Zephyrin, plenty too for Malice and even Nadine. If Papa God the help, we go meet up for Friday for last one for the week. Wanna hold am tight for outside.